Okay, so till here we finished, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll move to Fusion Accounting Hub.
Ma'am,
Okay, yeah, yes, sir.
can you
Yes, sir.
show the previous slide?
Yes, sir. 1 second. Yes, sir.
Just a moment. Oh,
Yes, sir.
approval. Okay, okay. No, previous slide, ma'am.
Yes, sir. It is not taking. 1 second, sir. I'll show you here. The data access set, no,
Okay,
sir?
okay, no issue.
Yeah. So basically,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
data
correct,
access
correct.
set and an
Okay,
example of how
okay, ma'am. Okay,
data access set security is set. This is an example that I gave. The read only and
acha, 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 acha.
read and
Okay,
write
okay, okay. Good, good.
access.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right and right. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Read and write.
Okay. Read
Right.
and write. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. You can
Oh,
continue.
okay, sir. Okay, so what is Fusion Accounting Hub? So the Oracle Fusion Accounting Hub provides a complete set of accounting tools and access to financial data. Okay, so FAH, I'll be referring Fusion Accounting Hub as FAH, okay, from now on. So FAH allows you to efficiently create detailed, auditable, reconcilable accounting from a variety of source systems. Okay, so let's see how this FAH works. Okay, so here, excuse me, the FAH process can begin by using the financial data from non-Oracle external applications and Oracle Fusion subledgers to the Oracle Fusion subledger accounting. You know the SLA engine, right?
Hello.
Hello? Yes, sir. Are you able to hear me? Hello?
Hello.
Dore?
Yes, ma'am. I am hearing, ma'am.
Okay. What happened? Sir, aren't you able to hear me?
I think he is not audible, ma'am.
Okay.
There is
Has he
some
logged
problem.
out? Has he logged out of the session?
No. He is in session. He is in session.
Okay, fine. Anyways, I'll continue. So, do you remember what SLA engine is? The subledger accounting engine.
Mm,
Okay. Anyways, I'll again
no,
tell
ma'am.
what it is. No problem. No problem. So basically, your SLA engine, this accounting engine that you see here is a rule-based accounting engine used by the subledgers. Okay, to create and post entries into your Oracle GL. Okay, so this is
Okay.
an application which can be, which can tackle highly automated financial processing, from your various subledgers, that is your, what you say is automated financial processing. You can process it, you can send all those entry through your repository to your general ledger. Repository is nothing but a central place where all your accounting data is stored and maintained, okay, of your company, all your accounting
Okay.
details. Okay, so that's called as the accounting repository. Okay, so basically
Okay.
here, the from the repository, like you can import from all these applications like your Oracle Fusion subledgers and your Oracle JD Edwards or other general ledgers. You can import all those data through your accounting engine, which is also called as the SLA engine, to your account repository. Okay, and from the
Okay.
repository, this then sends it to your general ledger as an SLA journal, as your subledger accounting, your subledger journal entries. And finally, from this, it is sent to your balances cube and tables. You know balances, right? The
Yes,
cube
ma'am.
that I had mentioned.
Yes.
Okay,
Pie
so you know
chart
this.
of that.
Yes. It's a multi-dimensional database for interactive reporting and analysis. Okay, the balances cube. Okay, so here the balance cube is like like the light at the end of a tunnel. Okay, it's the destination where all your transactions gets stored. So then from here, from the balances queue, what happens in the financial reporting center? Okay, here it provides financial reports and analysis using the data from the balance cubes. Okay, which is used by the management for a better decision making and better productivity of the company. All right, so this is the process of this is what actually happens in the accounting hub. Okay, then it
Okay.
also coexists. You know, there's a harmonious coexistence with the other integrations. You know, like your EBS, your Oracle EBS, e-business suite, and PeopleSoft General Ledger, wherein you can transfer accounting balances from these two, you know, through your what do you say, your Hyperion data relationship management. Through that, you can upload and import all your financial data to your accounting hub. Okay, and you
Okay.
can also drill down. You know, you can also drill down from the accounting hub general ledger to your EBS and your PeopleSoft general ledgers also. So then you can
Okay.
synchronize the chart of account segment values and hierarchies using the Oracle Hyperion data relationship management. Okay, so it is
Okay.
basically a two-way process which happens through the data relationship management of Oracle Hyperion, wherein you can transfer, okay, the data both the sides to the accounting hub or else back to your other applications. Okay, so the
Okay.
FAH provides accounting for your diverse business system events. Okay, it also lets you create multi-dimensional self-service reporting and analytics with real-time accounting information. This is basically a feature wherein you know, it gives you a better you know, reporting and analytical what do you say, better analytics basically, or you know, reports are presented in a multi-dimensional way, okay, to the user, I mean to your management, for a better decision making and productivity of the company. Okay, so basically in a nutshell, the Oracle Fusion Accounting Hub has three implementation scenarios, okay, that can be used in a separate way, or it can be in a conjunction, okay, with each other. So the
Okay.
first thing is the coexistence, that is, you know, you can interchangeably use the data from the other ERPs to the accounting hub, or back from accounting hub to the other ERPs. Then you have the accounting diverse transactions, you know, with auditable rule based accounting, okay, which is spread across through various ledgers. Okay, that is another
Okay.
dimension of it. And then you can the expansion of financial reporting, where it enables the expansion of financial reporting, self-service reporting with flexible formatting options. Okay, you know the smart view, right? You remember in the SBase database class, I had mentioned from different sources you can
Yes,
import
ma'am. Yes.
data and all that. So that everything happens in this Fusion Accounting Hub. Okay,
Okay.
so now you know, right, everything is how it is, you know, correlated. So basically everything is all cloud based, which is more convenient for the companies, you know, to use the data and information and record its day-to-day transactions and all that. So it, you know, helps in an improved you know, way of functioning the business. Okay, so that is
Okay.
what your Fusion Accounting Hub is. So this is what it is. So any doubts so far, Durai?
No, ma'am.
You were able to understand all the concepts
Yes, ma'am.
now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
So that is it for today's class. Okay, I think tomorrow sir will take all the practical sessions, whatever I've you know, taught you today, the theory yesterday
Okay.
and today, he will show the practicals in the Fusion instance for you.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
all right. So just
Okay.
go through this PPT one, so that you know, you can just refresh your memory before the practical class.
Yes,
That will
ma'am.
be helpful for you. Okay, all
Yes,
right
ma'am.
then.
Okay.
All right, Durai. So have a good day. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Thank
Bye,
you so
bye.
much. Okay, bye.